Let's set your AER 360 up. Setting up your AER 360 is straightforward. All you need is an AER 360 Wi-Fi connection, a smartphone or a laptop. There are 3 states of your device. Red light means no saved network. Blue light means it is finding an already saved network. Green light means it has successfully connected to a Wi-Fi network. If you have purchased a configured 4Climate router along with your AER 360, your job is to plug and play. Pretty simple. Power your AER 360 and your pre-configured 4Climate router on. Your device turns the blue light on and tries to connect to the 4Climate network. If the green light is on, your device is up and running. If you don't have a pre-configured 4Climate router, then here's how you go about it. Power your AER 360 on. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes for a blue light to turn red, indicating that no Wi-Fi network is saved yet. Ensure that your Wi-Fi connection is stable before you connect your device to it. Use your smartphone or a laptop to connect to a Wi-Fi network named after your device ID. Your device ID can be found on the product. For example, FAV91529AA. Once you connect your device to the network, scan the QR code given in the welcome guide, or type 192.168.4.1 in your browser. Now select your Wi-Fi network in the drop box and type the Wi-Fi password there. Upon successfully submitting network details, the red light on your AER 360 turns blue and now tries connecting to your saved Wi-Fi network. The light turns green upon successful connection. If the light stays red, retry the whole process. If the light stays blue, it is still attempting to connect to your saved networks. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and is in device proximity. Congratulations! Welcome to 4Climate. Your AER 360 is up and running. Now, you can monitor your farm parameters on your smartphone or laptop's dashboard. To learn more about accessing and operating the dashboard, watch our tutorial on dashboard setup.